Have you ever wondered how the world's largest air forces are ranked? The sky's giants, in terms of size and power, are generally the United States, Russia, China, India, and the United Kingdom. These rankings aren't set in stone, though. They can shift due to factors like acquisitions of new aircraft, retirements of older models, and geopolitical changes. What really makes these forces stand out? It's the aircraft they command. So let's dive into the specifics and see what aircraft types make these forces so formidable. At the top of the list, we find the United States Air Force. Boasting the stealthy F-22 Raptor, the versatile F-35 Lightning II, and the reliable F-16 Fighting Falcon, this force is a formidable presence in the sky. These high-tech aircraft are the backbone of the USAF's air superiority. Next on the list is the Russian Air Force. Powering the Russian might in the sky are formidable aircraft like the Su-35 and Su-57. Alongside other stalwarts like the MiG-29 and the Tu-160 Blackjack. These powerful machines ensure Russia's strong presence in the sky. The People's Liberation Army Air Force of China follows closely. China's sky warriors include the stealthy J-20, the agile J-11, and the sturdy H-6, among others. Each one a testament to China's technological prowess. These aircraft have played a key role in China's rapid military expansion. But let's not forget about the other major players. The Indian Air Force, with its fleet of Su-30 MKI, Mirage 2000, Rafale, and the indigenous Tejas, brings a unique blend of diversity and capability to the table. Meanwhile, the Royal Air Force of the United Kingdom, equipped with the formidable Typhoon and F-35 Lightning II, along with the reliable C-130 Hercules, maintains a strong presence in the global air power equation. From the Su-30 MKI of India to the Typhoon of the United Kingdom, these aircraft are what make these air forces stand out on the global stage. In the end, what matters most is not just the size, but the capabilities of these air forces. Advanced aircraft like the F-22 Raptor or the Su-57 play crucial roles in determining an air force's power. So next time you look up at the sky, remember that it's also a stage where these giants showcase their might.